Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is part 2 of our UGC creations tutorial. If you haven't watched part 1 where we made the UGC image for using Gemini, just go check that out first by click the link in the descriptions below. Okay, next we were turning that image into a realistic UGC video using Veo 3.1 on Google Flow. So let's get started. First, just open your Google Flow like this and then just tap on new projects to create new projects. And then just tap on text to video and then just change it into frames to video options like this. And then next just upload your UGC image that you made earlier in part 1. Just tap on plus button and then upload and then just choose the image and then crop. Like this. And then next we will write our video prompt. To make things easier, I already created a JSON style prompt with the help of ChatGPT like this. Like this. You can just simply describe your UGC video idea in here in ChatGPT and then just ask it to optimize and convert it into a JSON prompt format. You can just type a request like this, create a JSON prompt from this regular prompt like this, and then just type your prompt to describe the UGC video idea. And then next ChatGPT will give you a JSON prompt like this. And when you got the prompt, just copy the code or copy the prompt and then go back to Google Flow and then paste it and then just go to settings and then just set your aspect ratio. In here I will just choose portrait ratio and then just choose your output number. In here I will just choose one output and then just choose your model. In here I will just choose Veo 3.1 face like this, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it.
I've been using this serum for just a week and my skin already feels so soft. Totally obsessed. I've been using this serum for just a week and my skin already feels so soft.
And okay, like this. In just a few moments, you will have your UGC style video ready. It looks like a real influencer ad with natural camera motions and realistic lighting. Although it has the weird sense, but I think the result overall is still good. You can just tweak the prompt to get the more best result. And okay, that's it, your UGC image. It's now a UGC video. You can use it for your ad creative or maybe TikTok videos or product campaigns. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.